like normally there would be a view here. A 24-mile climb back up to Volcano, and then like a 40-mile descent. Sea art. So we're kind of at an impasse here because we went all the way down to the coast, and there's this there used to be a road that from the coast where we just dropped down to leads to the eastern side of the island where we're trying to stay tonight. But the lava flow in 2018 ruined that, like went over that road, and as far as we could tell when we were planning the route, the road was completely gone. But now we got to the bottom, went to the edge of this road, and it looks like this. It's like gravelly, it looks like they're in the process of rebuilding the road. And we can totally ride this, but I have no idea if it's going to lead us all the way to the other side of the island. Or the alternative, which we had planned on, which is to go back up 4,000 feet in 20 miles. So like a 20-mile climb back to Volcano and then kind of go around. I don't know what to do. I think we're going to maybe just risk it on this gravel road and hope that it connects. And then if it doesn't, we're I just rode another like mile down this road and it keeps going. I'm pretty sure it goes all the way. It's only like 10 a.m. right now. And if we cut off this huge section, we're going to cut off like 4 hours from our day. And we don't really need to do that. So I think we're just going to go back and do the 20-mile climb. This hill in front of me is what is actually the hill that we're climbing back up. that ridge line in the background. Kind of regretting our decision to go back up. At 1,600 feet. It's crazy to think I was just way down there by the coast. Made it up the steep part of the cliff. It's like 2,200 feet in the first 4 or 5 miles, and then another 2,000 feet in 15 miles. So, easy roads ahead. I'm actually on a slight downhill, as you can tell by me not pedaling. Made it back to the big open lava flow, 2,600 feet, so like 1,400 to go. Almost back at 3,500 feet, and the rain just started back up. And we're back in clouds, but the clouds and the rain mean we're almost done. And then we have huge descent, which I'm stoked for. Couple miles left. Done. I mean, we're not done for the day. We still have several hours left, but like the hard stuff is behind us. We went from like drenched in sweat on that climb to throwing back on our winter clothes now that we're at the top up here. So we just hung out, refueled a bit at the skate park, used their Wi-Fi and charging ports, and now we're heading down the big long descent into an Airbnb for the night. So yeah, it's also outside though. It's not like an enclosed space. It's like a hut thing. Grody. Rolling into a cotton candy sunset now after just being mauled by a Jack Russell. Well, Becca was. That's why I'm always out front, because the dog, they get Becca. But no, but really, we have been attacked by, like chased by, oh my God. Speak of the devil. There's a dog right here.
It'll probably attack me.
Hello? Senor. All right, well, they were cool at least. We made it to where we are glamping for the night, I think. Look. Got the snack bag and I am headed back. Look how freaking glamp this is. Got a wood-fired hot tub. Still got the mosquitoes though. So we up. There's this separate little house hut thing that has a bathroom and a kitchen. It's pretty awesome. I could live here.